This lesson is going to look at comparing fractions and decimals. So the first example I've written down here, 0.7 and a half. And the question that I'm asking here is which one is bigger and how do you know? Well, one way to tell is to use a calculator. I'm going to show you the quicker way. And what you would do is you have to take the fraction, turn it into a decimal. So this one here, you take the fraction 1 divided by 2. That equals 0.5. So since this equals 0.5, the question becomes, which is larger, 0.7 or 0.5? So you know that 0.7 is larger. So here's some more examples that I want you to look at today. So which is larger, 0.26 or 1/4? So again, you can take your calculator, 1 divided by 4 equals 0.25. So the question then becomes 0.26 or 0.25. And we know this one is larger because 26 is a larger number than 25. So here's another example, 3/4 or 0.75. So they are different. The one's in a fraction form, one's in decimal form. So we need to make them both the same. So 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. So it's asking you which is bigger, 0.75 or 0.75. In this case, they're equal. So we don't have to do anything. Let's go back to 3/4 because we like it so much. Or 0.8. Which is larger? Well, I'll do this again, even though I just did it. 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. 0.75 or 0.8. Which is the larger fraction? Now, when you look at these two numbers, you think, well, 75 is a bigger number than 8. That is true if you were talking about 75 or 8, but you're not. You're talking about 7/10 and 5/100 and 8/10. So really, this number here, you have to pretend there's a 0 here. So now the question is, what's bigger, 75 or 80? And this one is a bigger number. Let's look at another example here. Let's have a look at 1/2 or 0.54. Now we know 1/2. We did this example in the other video. This is 1/2 right here. It's half of it. It's 0.5. So what is larger, 0.5 or 0.54? Okay. So now you have to pretend the 0 is here. In this case, this one was a larger fraction or the larger number. However, if I did this or 0.49, you converted this to decimal, 0.5 or 0.49, you will have students tell you that this number is larger because they see 49. And here they just see 5. But in reality, the place value here, the first one closest to the decimal is the one that matters. And this one's bigger. So this is the bigger fraction. You can have 0.9 or 0.89999. You can go on forever. And this is still the larger decimal. Same thing applies with any example, really. If you did 0.6 or 0.41894, doesn't matter. This is bigger because the first column or the first place value is tenths. This is the one that matters. So it works opposite on the other side of the decimal. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.